The camera is being knocked. That's caps for ya, cameraman. Thank you, that's great. Woo, hi. I'm Christy. We're on day 308 of taking a cold plunge every day. Woo. Oh. Okay. Let's start the time at 3 minutes. Maybe. She has water damage, so. Oh. Okay, we have started. On my countdown for the final 60 cold plunges of the year, I have a fun setup where I'm rolling a die, picking from a category, and then randomly selecting from a punch box what I am going to share for the day. Today, as you saw, is a fun fact about me. Let's get into it. So, oh boy. Okay. Some of my favorite hobbies are spending time outside, either kayaking, relaxing, or working in my garden. Being around my pets, other people's pets, or almost any animal, and getting to love on them or admire them. I'm not a bird person or much of a reptile person. Depends on the animal. Anyway, finally, of course there's a lot, but top 3. Being creative. Either learning to play a song, I play guitar, ukulele, and piano. Painting, whether it's crafty or a scene. Writing, I love to journal, and I have a goal to be a writer of books someday. An author, I think is what that's called. And creating digital media. I really like editing these videos and doing things that are interesting with them. Really just leaning into my artistic talents. So there you go. That's some fun facts about me. Also, not athletic at all. Bonus fun fact, I tried out for basketball in the 8th grade, and I was one of 2 people who did not make the team, so. See you tomorrow. Oh wait. Oh, we still have a minute. Yay! We did it. That's it. That's the cold plunge. So, thank you for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with another surprise mystery thing, and I'll see you then. Bye.